Hi, today in front of you Oppo A57s and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the face unlock works here fast and correct. I just unlocked the device less than in 1 second. This is the good result for the face unlock. I just want to try one more thing to unlock the device with the glasses because I set up my face recognition without the glasses, so I just wear them now. And let's just try to unlock the device with the glasses. So 1, 2, 3. As you can see, this option also works correct, so I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the pin codes or passcodes unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.